Hey guys, it's me, Desi Arnaz, professional investor and wealth coach. Look, I'm just sharing this message with you guys today because it kind of dawned on me that all of us face challenges from time to time, right? Things that come up that cause us distress. And what I've kind of learned over the years is that when I find myself feeling distressed or feeling anxious or feeling angry because something didn't go my way or something didn't go right, I have to understand that the reason that I'm having all this trouble, frankly, is because I'm resisting the reality of what is, right? Sometimes things just are the way they are. And when that happens, you have to go about this differently. For example, maybe something didn't get delivered when I needed it delivered, or maybe someone didn't do something that I really thought they would do, or whatever. It doesn't really matter. You fill in the blank. The point is this: things sometimes don't work out. And when things don't work out, the dumbest and probably the most unconstructive response is to get angry about it or to push against it. I mean, it's the reality of the situation. And so what I've learned is that if you'll just figure out, take time, take a deep breath, step back and say, okay, what can I do about this? That's a lot better reaction to it than getting upset or letting it upset your day. Because here's what the reality is too: the various things that happen throughout the day, the feelings that we have, they cause us to think in a certain way, and then that thinking causes us to behave in a certain way or act in a certain way and do certain things. And it's those actions that create our day, and it's those days that create our life. And so if you want to have a good life, you don't want to have a lot of bad days. You know, I was talking with someone the other day about a bad day. I can't remember the last time I had a bad day. And I think that it's because I've learned that if I'm the cause, I'm literally causing my own distress by pushing up against the reality of the situation, then all I've got to do is stop pushing, right? It's me. And if I just change that, then I understand that I'm happy today because of me. I'm sad today because of me. I'm distressed or angry or disappointed. It's all me. And so guys, if you guys can adopt that type of a feeling or philosophy, I would say, then I think you're going to find yourself having a lot more peace. You'll find the peace of the Lord in that thought process. God bless you guys, and I'll talk to you later.